Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2011 Mazda CX-7 Classic Sports, stock reference number 4030. This shape runs from the 11th month 2006 through to the 2nd month 2012. It has a L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. This vehicle has had an interior fire. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, radiator grille, it's got a tidy front bumper cover, right hand fog light, right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left hand fog light, left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 18-inch alloy mace, left front has a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has 2 small dents, left rear door has 2 small dents and a large dent. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. Left tail light, it's got a tidy rear park sensor type bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with the average tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has 1 small dent. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage. And right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Unfortunately, there's nothing salvageable out of the interior. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.